Kyle. So one of the things that we're going to work on this afternoon is how to hit that hook. Because I know you had mentioned to me something before about wanting to shape the ball from right to left, so that's exactly what we're going to do. So when I hit a hook, one thing that I like to do is I like to really exaggerate it first to make sure I get that feeling of really shaping that ball from right to left. So if I step in here and I want to hit that hook, one thing that we got to understand is that the club face and the club path, or the club path has to come from the inside to get it starting out to the right, and then the club face has to be square to your target in order for it to curve. So like I said, I really like to exaggerate it when I first start learning how to shape a new shot. So if my target is just that tree in the background, what I want to do is I want to aim my chest and my body out to the right, which allows that club path to come more from the inside, and then I want to keep my club face square to where I'm trying to aim. So if we just over exaggerate trying to hit this hook, then you can kind of see it start to curve, and then obviously it hooks a little bit more than expected. So if you do that again, if you really over exaggerate it, so if I'm aiming way out to the right and then the club face is square to the target, really kind of see it start to turn. So if you want to come up here and kind of over exaggerate the same thing, there you go. Perfect. So really get that upper body and lower body really turning out to the right and almost feel like you're throwing the club back toward your target. Perfect. Now when we start trying to hit small draws, maybe like 1 or 2 yards, then we don't have to over exaggerate as much, but it's almost that same feeling of your club coming well from the inside out and then the club face square to the target. That way it comes back through.